So, hi students, today we are going to do the second part of that chapter. In our first part and second part, what we did, that means it was actually there was two videos. It was our first part. That means we dealt with what? We dealt with sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and we solved the questions related to those, to that theorem, right? Today we are going to do another one new theorem. So what is this theorem and what does we get from this theorem? So let us go through the question. Okay, prove that exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. I hope everyone knows what is exterior angle and interior angle. If I draw a diagram here like this, all these are what? All these are interior angles, right? All these are what? Interior angle. Now what is exterior angle? If I extend a line here, this is going to be what? Exterior angle. This angle is called what? Exterior. That means outside the triangle. जो एंगल ट्राइंगल के बाहर होगा वो क्या होगा? एक्सटीरियर होगा, और जो ट्राइंगल के अंदर होता है that is called interior angle. Clear students? The angles which are inside the triangle, they are called interior, and the triangle which is outside the triangle is called exterior. Now exterior angle can be like this also, it can be this also, or it can be this also. Yes or no? If I extend a line here, it can be this also. Understood student? Exterior angles, it's not necessary that it will be only this side. It can be in any side, but it should be outside the triangle. That is exterior angle. Okay? So we have to prove what? What the question is telling? We have to prove that this exterior angle is equals to this angle and this angle. That means this question mark, this exterior angle is equals to this plus this. That means this dot plus this dot. Okay? Why? This opposite equal to opposite interior angle. That means ये जो एंगल है इसका दो ऑपोजिट एंगल कौन होगा ट्राइंगल के अंदर में? ये दोनों. ये तो ऑपोजिट नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो एडजेसेंट है. दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज एडजेसेंट एंगल. दिस इज नियर बाय एंगल. But these two angles are opposite. So which is the opposite angle to this exterior angle? These two. So we are to prove that this angle is equals to this plus this. That means today what we are going to learn, that exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay students? So let's start our theorem. How we will proceed? I hope everyone knows what is corresponding angle and alternate angle. We have done it in our last class also, but still I will make you the revision. If two parallel line, any transversal goes, these angles are called what? Corresponding angles, right students? And alternate angle means on the either side of the transversal. Corresponding angle means what? On the same side. Clear students? Don't get confused in corresponding angles and alternate angles. Again and again I am telling you, it is very very important. Okay? Let us draw a triangle first. ABC. Let us draw one triangle ABC. Let, I am writing here, let ABC be a triangle. Okay students? Let ABC be a triangle. Then prove that exterior angle. That means one exterior angle is also there. Okay? This is exterior angle, right? One exterior angle is also given here. That is ACD. Which angle we represent? जो एंगल हम लोग बोलना होता है हम लोगों को, वो एंगल हम लोग बीच में रखते हैं. Like ACD. Understood? ये चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखना. जो एंगल को तुम लोग डिनोट करोगे वो एंगल हमेशा बीच में लिखा जाएगा. Don't get confused in this also. You all make mistake in this. So ABCD is a triangle. BC is extended up to D. BC is extended. BC is extended up to D. Okay? To get the exterior. To get the exterior angle. What is the exterior angle? To get the exterior angle ACD. Clear students? Now to prove, what we are to prove, what we are to prove, that exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angle. If I take this one is exterior angle, if my angle ACD is my exterior angle, तो इसका दो opposite interior angle कौन सा होगा, इसका दो opposite interior angle कौन सा होगा, ये एंगल और ये एंगल होगा ना, एंगल ए होगा. एंगल ए को कैसे बोलेंगे हम लोग, एंगल BAC. अभी देखो एंगल AB को हम अगर अलग करते हैं, एंगल ए को हम कैसे बोलेंगे, BAC, क्योंकि मुझे ये एंगल रिप्रेजेंट करना है. जो एंगल मैं रिप्रेजेंट करूंगी उसको मैं बीच में रखूंगी, एंगल BAC प्लस ये एंगल. अभी इसको मैं अगर रिप्रेजेंट करूंगी तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगी इस एंगल को, एंगल ABC. जो एंगल मुझे रिप्रेजेंट करना है वो मैं कहाँ रखूंगी, बीच में, एंगल ABC. मुझे यही प्रूफ करना है. मुझे क्या प्रूफ करना है, व्हाट आई एम टू प्रूव, दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ टू ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल और ये दोनों क्या है, इंटीरियर एंगल, ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. दिस इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड दिस टू आर ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ next part, construction. Now I have to construct something to prove this. What I will do, I will construct a line. What I will do, I will construct a ray here. CE parallel to AB is drawn. My construction is what, CE parallel to AB is drawn. I have drawn CE parallel to AB. My construction is only that I have drawn CE is parallel to AB. Clear students? Now let us start our proof. How we will prove now? I have to prove this whole angle is equals to this and this. So how I will come? My first step. Now students, if I say AB is parallel to CE, then and if I say AC is the transversal, इफ आई से अगर मैं बोलूँ ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी ई, ये ए और बी है और ये ई और सी है, अगर ये दोनों पैरेलल है और मैं बोलूँ ये वाला ए सी इज द ट्रांसवर्सल, अगर मैं ए सी को ट्रांसवर्सल पकड़ूँ, बाकी सारा डायग्राम मैं भूल गई, तो कौन सा एंगल किसके इक्वल होगा, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल होगा ना. क्यों इक्वल होगा, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. yes or no students, forget the diagram, just you see, if AB is parallel to EC and AC is the transversal, which angle is going to be equal, angle A is going to be equal to angle C. Why, alternate angle. So I will just write this, since AB is parallel to EC, AB is parallel to EC and AC is the transversal, AC is the transversal, AC is the transversal. I did what I did, AC is the transversal. Then which angle is equal, this angle. The name of this angle will be what, BAC. Therefore angle BAC is equals to angle ACE. Why, reason is what, alternate angles. Clear student, this is your equation 1. Okay, now again अभी मैंने क्या पकड़ा, अभी मैंने पकड़ा ये दोनों पैरेलल था, ये ट्रांसवर्सल था. अभी फिर से मेरा पैरेलल लाइंस आर दिस ओनली एंड इफ आई टेक ट्रांसवर्सल इज BD. अभी मैंने क्या किया, पैरेलल लाइन तो मेरा चेंज नहीं हो सकता है, जो है वही रहेगा. अभी मैंने ट्रांसवर्सल चेंज कर लिया, मैंने ट्रांसवर्सल किसको दे दिया, BD को दे दिया. पहले ये वाला ट्रांसवर्सल था, नाउ माई ट्रांसवर्सल इज BD. सो व्हाट आई विल राइट अगेन हियर, सिंस AB पैरेलल टू EC and BD is the transversal. Now my transversal is what, BD is my transversal. If BD is transversal, now which two angles are equal, just look at this diagram. This angle equals to this angle, corresponding angle, yes or no. Why I am taking this two angle, because I need this angle, yes or no. If I want I can take this angle also, this angle is also equals to this angle, but I don't need this angle, I need this angle is equals to this angle. So what I am going to do, angle, what is the name of this angle, ABC. Therefore angle ABC is equals to angle ECD, right students, angle ECD. What is the reason, corresponding angles. What are they, they are corresponding angles. This is my equation 2. Okay students, I got equation 1, I got equation 2. One is alternate angle, another one is corresponding angles. Now what I will do, but I want what? I want this whole angle. What I want, just look at the diagram. But मुझको क्या चाहिए? मुझको ये पूरा एंगल चाहिए. मुझे तो अभी ये आधा मिला, ये आधा मिला. अगर मैं इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर दूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? ये पूरा एंगल मिल जाएगा ना. इतनी देर मुझे क्या मिला? फर्स्ट वाले में ये एंगल मिला, सेकंड वाले में मुझे ये मिला. अगर मैं इन दोनों को प्लस कर दूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? ये पूरा एंगल मिल जाएगा इफ आई ऐड देम. और मुझे क्या चाहिए था? व्हाट आई वांटेड दिस फुल एंगल ओनली. yes or no? So what I will do now, I will add equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so let us write. You all note it down in your copy. Okay students, don't forget to note it down. Now students, if I say by adding 1 and 2, we get what we will get if I add 1 and 2. If I add 1 and 2, that means if I add this one with this one and this one with this one, when we do addition, left hand side we will add left hand side, right hand side we will add right hand side. So what is in the left hand side? BAC plus ABC. ABC is equals to, again in right hand side it is what? ACE plus angle ECD. Now if I add them, now इनको तो ऐड करने से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. yes or no? So I am keeping it same. ABC plus ABC, BAC, ABC. Now if I add ACE, just see students, ACE, again ECD. If I add them, then it becomes ACD. अगर मैं ये दोनों एंगल को प्लस कर दूं तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? ये पूरा लाइन मिल रहा है ना, ACD. What I will get? ACD. And what I wanted this only. yes or no? What I have written to prove, I wanted this line only. Therefore I can just write it, ACD is equals to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Your theorem is proved. What you proved in this theorem? That if there is an exterior angle, that exterior angle will always be equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Always don't forget this line, it will be opposite, sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, don't take this adjacent angles. Okay students, so I hope you just watch the video, try to understand it and note it down in your copy.